you guys, it's your girl Robbie the Balloon Stylist. I came across this really cool metal hoop stand and I cannot wait to dress it up. So let's get into it. Inflate two 11-inch balloons, deflate them to your desired size, bring them together, wrap the necks around each other twice, and tie it into a secure knot. Take both pairs of balloons, cross them over each other, and twist them around each other twice to secure a quad. Now expand your quad by adding a pair of balloons, twisting them together to create a cluster of 6 balloons. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to position the pole between 2 balloons, twist the balloons across each other, and then lock them securely into place. I'm using the neck method to create this pretty and pink balloon centerpiece. Now I'm placing the 6 balloon clusters at the bottom of the hoop. I'm adding my mini quads, flowers. I'm adding gaffer's tape to the stems to protect the balloons from popping. Also, make sure you bend your stems before applying tape. It's okay to adjust your balloons around until everything looks perfect. I want to add a disco ball to the centerpiece to bring out a touch of sparkle and glam. I'm using fishing line to attach it to the disco ball hoop. Bend the stems inward, close them up nice and tight, and secure them with tape. Zip tie them together and cover the stems behind each bundle to give it a nice, elegant look. Secure 4 doublets with a 260Q. Then top it off with a double quad. Here's the back view. Trim remaining zip ties. Make sure the centerpiece looks nice from every angle. I'm using a 260Q to secure the flowers onto the balloons. I'm adding a few more disco balls to make it even more glamorous. The best part is adding balloon glow to really bring the centerpiece to life. Okay, now that you got all the ingredients, I can't wait to see your creative work. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.